etimiara mantini fufo no se open ne aponche nkwan ene open ne tilapia nkwan open mre ene nwa ena fe kra remu nam na opa ni nyina no mabɔ de bi ewura mu a emu edeyie pa zenne no eye jollof rice na pe emutuo na pe emutuo ne nkate nkwan ne de akaka no ya bɔ de etimia de dodo na enso aba eboa na ne mada yie pa etimiara mampesi no ene wache no mepacho omode no emu edeyie pa obi na fi baby aba ho zonye Ghana ni ofi amano ne na aba edense local food no obedi okomo continental dishes awdo na ye beboa nyetimi asevu ni pani bi amana di amana wie pe kromdie ma enkofo bom about because adwuma no mo ye no ano edenti special fried rice french fries pizza ene de ka kan ni nyina no obeji bi o maso ye ene adwuma ko bi na asa afe no emu apai mo pese moko ekokodi nhyiamudi anase nkomodi de bi ekoso o monte ho kese a ye de ma ha no mo drinks no mo ton no ene no sumi a wo bia no okwa benya bi ho no wabomode etimi anom opedi ano eden eho no wona afe di ano emra ye de bi aba bewura mu wedding na aba fie ade adi ni pawdo na aba nyaba be di nhyiamu no obomode atwebom a ombeboa na aduane bia pe bia no ya ye ne dodo so etimi edi abrel entu pomo na wejuma mu aye juma edi so be pia kwako didi ade form na ma no ene omo nka se aduane bia pe bia no o da ye be deliver na kama pa etimi area ma 0549 609697 0549 609697 no mapwa amanema koye pa etimi aramanti X5 restaurant and pub ko nyakoko je aduane pa na di na mo ahoden na ne man koye pa entimi emfama opomo a oro ani chemo crofom amo ani sika FM ne di ani adwuma de amo eye bia ano edi papa ye don sem no etimi edi adan ho na ntetem so no ye nwram ne ani nkomo akra ezanze ne ma dada na koma top 6 no ya bo ade akoye ni ma enhihye no koye kama pa etimi edi ema omo na teams no owe omo konde ngana so omo konkodi awramo e the semi final no nyambo ochna e na eto aso na 2 pm no Bechem United ene mediama ene de bebo any afternoon no na 4 pm Brekum Chelsea amonso ene boboku a ye from Great Olympics etimi edi aboni na onkomo no era ne nkofo eto ayampia ni nyina nso omuzo omugiri sa atfok niama anhara nkoye etimi amfa mo na sero omusi ba tournament no emese are ho wa no mo de om line up na ba ebeba na nkwada nko a na afọ omugina mu na ye show mo sa mo supporters no kra no ebi mu apa line ne ade na ho nkomo no era na ye didi a ene ye tweben Dr. Randy Abbey onzo pimpe obaba be ramo Ghana na tesian football no ono so ye esco member ejuma no pono e ya ade ano edi no pimpa no edi nkomo na to folk ne niama na akukọ so the top 6 no enkomo se no pimpa no e bo mo di edi erefa
to both the competition and to the brand crowds of folk. Because I'm not surprised, I was told the first match, all the supporters were upset. They had come there expecting, who snippets of their team for next season. Everybody knows, pre-season, I feel that team and she share year. If you go and lose, what's the big deal? In any case, teams now only about top 6, no, almost share order. What is this thing? What is this thing? You know, if you are not ready, I don't have a problem. If the coach and the management feel dates no for competition, it doesn't sit well with their plan now. Opt out.
Atianu ya command ne obomode etimi edi etudwa na afternoon no sanche mu se wo sere nema esia kwa bini se ne yebo top 4 yebo top 6 ana yebo top 8 no oso ohunu se weni mrekre dikin abibisa ewremeno so nkomo sei erodi etimi erefa.
Point of view of Gaka, they also need to take lessons. I'm sure this will be the first time in this tournament, a club has behaved like House of. I'm sure it will be the first time in the history of this particular competition, whether it's top 8, top 6, top 4, a club has behaved like this.
We are commanding upon what the team dear fan one in airport. Amanema ko ye pent me around after no. I'll see the how to folk busu anko no my no. Adia, I know a dinka crack, you say, no, so upon what the
don't disrespect your club and your tradition that way. You don't disrespect the organization that you belong to, Gaka. You don't even disrespect your supporters. You don't do that. If you're not ready to participate, tell them organizers, we're sorry. Look, Division 1. Almost your more organizing BB. And they contacted me. So, Omupese Lions. a participate. And I'm sure me coach or the pre-season we have discussed it, we have approved, we are starting.
Sompa Sports.
If he fits into his plan. Into almost send it by and we send him my coach. Just no, that's not my proposal. It won't fit in because at that time, no, say I relay same to them. Almost the second date by. So what about this date? And I sent to him. Also, second date need here. About fit into the program, so it is okay. And I sent it back to them. So the second date is fine by my coaches, so we can participate in it. But under no circumstance will I say.
Atia no ya command no paper no ebo mo de timi de refa wan nyina no ebo ma ne makọ wi no say gapo no say how to folk edim say ga tournament no anase po no top 6 no mutimi ma emma mambebo a ke wo say tutu no e say na nkomo ye no ke no bebo a ama ne ma timi akoye.
It's quite embarrassing. If this is what Hearts of Folk were going to do now, then they should have withdrawn from the competition like Otoko. To be very honest with you. Because Obekai said one of the main objectives for clubs to prepare for the upcoming season. Into more Africa. And the others. Initially in the crown now there were 4 teams playing in Africa and I reduced it to 2. So initially now we had 2 from the league and then FA Cup as well. And as I say, 2. And Mekase say Hearts winning FA Cup now. I'll be one of the people to advocate say Galka and Yana 6.
Atia no ya sama ne opimpa no ebo mo de etimiere tu gwa na oba be wie no o kansem kakra etimiere fa top 6 no ga campaign for mon hihia nei o ma bo mo de guna kwankomo se no so no o de etimiere fa.
That I think that Niamana esini nyina no there should be pointers for Galka organizers to sit down again, take a second look at this competition, structure it very well, look at all the things that were not done right, and make sure say next season they would have a better competition. I don't think there are a lot of lessons to be learned from this. So I'm saying they ought to take out all the things that have happened, go back, sit down, and make sure they would use them to correct things and ensure next season will be a much better competition. Maybe to take the decision on whether it's a top 4, top 6, or top 8 much earlier, and let everybody know this is the competition. Maybe they don't have to wait till the end.
Atia no ya sam kakra ne opimpa ye friend Dr. Randiabi na chese ni obomode ni nuanom original FMD komona wa pomode etimi aka sam kakra enso no ye yimu kakra de baba betu atini na no efa de Galka top 6 no na ahwe sere on komona siatia ano edin ye papa ye deba ababeda no opimpa ye friend Kofi Pare obeke a early 60s no eduramo late 60s no na obo edwuma de Mad Black Stars of Ghana na ne opimpa ni odifo na Reverend na ne komodidie mu e bisa no na the Black Stars of Ghana yan World Cup ya ye kono okata ye chances no se no sunu nkomo sei e ro bomo de dijai
say ye kasa di won ho de nation ne we o me peja won so peja won dia na mo me ye ka ho mo ase ba ye ba ji kopo la ba ye de kopo la ba ye ni be woni enye kata ye ba ji kopo la ba 2022 afewe ye de kopo la ba anenya kopo e be ba Ghana ye ko ji kopo la ba se ya ho ye be ye ai ho ye ne de ko ji kopo ye ba ji kopo la ba me say 2022 kata bola ya ko bo bi ase Ghana for the couple remember then you
Atia no ya komo kakra nei na chese legend opere ma atfo kapere ma krobia komasi asante kotoko Kofi Pare abomode ria tudwa chese cup no ye de beba na ye de cup no beba na chese ye ni gisempe beboa because Ghana de se niema de daye pa na ye ko major tournament na wen kraba na ya niema sikroma ya na ehupa na ma mekwa o ma no so na afi on the top 6 no ye ndi hu komo kakra na ye hwese de niema esietie ni de rom captain Edema Brekum Chelsea Fiseni Zakaria na ye ne no emmon komo ne ade na bi o ma mi jamu ma na ne nkasa o di bi o Enezaki ndi komo na enye we ya oh open ne nkasa
Zach. Hello, Zach.
Yeah, hello.
Good evening, Ned. Say.
Nami adu me hoye.
Yehu Kumasi one Brekum Chelsea be share ha eboabo am ho a na mo de kobo top 6. Ohwe modern am bo no any preparations am ye wo Kumasi ha na. Obeka se ni mienu no twaka bi wo modern mo na am bo no ejina preparations no so ana.
Well, na di kan meda wase na machia akiefo nyina. Sanya wo kanu. Brekum Chelsea I think say pre-season no yana first ma started pre-season na ye ba Kumasi no so ye nyina ehu adwumaden ye be wo with the kind of pace I want. I think the results are yenya no ye be ye ho adwuma Kumasi na I take effect from tournament ye bon
Through semi-final obi ehwe ni mu sam be kwa komanim eno amoche has mo de o mato ho kama. Zach, uji di say mo beti magic competition?
Well, you know, I think say your bo match there, your corner one after the other. And you say your game be more, your all out say that particular game no, you be making sure say you be winning. And see, the more you really games, I think they be the key to finance. And you do finance, and so you nyanko pa aduma. You be bonus in your previous games na.
Zach, kakra hu ni se mo bo bia na mababrekum, mo bo wi na mababrekum, we mo besa ba na.
But the way they think say you want to say you be tournament na we.
Zach, say ne ya kase ya start Ghana Premier League now. Wa hwe bia wugina wa hoden ene team na hoden a. We ka say Chelsea mo ready.
Yeah, you're ready. You're ready pa.
Mo bi ni de ne ya gidi say enye pride ba ya. Ka Black Stars team na be ko World Cup nka wo be bobi. Na o hepra na amanu ma kwachi kakra esi angata no wa season na obebo no dey na o every season nim
I think say ade be si bia no nyankopon nkwa nanim de ntia ebasa enti no de meka ne say nyankopon adom a sisi amasan aban so back no me bom pa say adom de be san aba me so na saying na previously mebo games no menya hoden ena honkeka that they abosene na mebo first na mpomatumi aye more than that na akwan be san bia de ama me.
Zach, Chelsea season na ebe bono de na mo hwehwe free season nim de na mo pe.
I think say every player bia aim ne say obebo competition. I think say even a Ghanaian players in Krano. So obi enya kwanya kobo Champions League ne Confederations na eboni, but I think say ebe anije e de amano. And we are hoping say Nyankopon be ya dom na ebetumi a qualify na ye mu bi and then see Champions League ne Confederations no ebi benya kwanya na for the first time no let me akotest bi.
Zach, do be wie no am say na dia na ye offer by one so obi ade no offer by one so dey han na person we Brekum want afi one movie anko ba bia.
All right, me personally I think that obi anumi and nkomo about offer bia enti enye so kan kra anka minim bibisa.
That's pa Zach. Nti dem pa about tamochi na nyoma timi konka ba the second round no e be sound the offer na ba. Why?
You ba cho mate.
Bishop no call Kokodin come on Brekum Chelsea omo captain Fuseni Zakaria era ne owura ne Kokodin come on am say top 6 in ejuma mo ye na no edin pa ti eche mesa ku Bishop obi o be say din come si ano enya to ma pe odin come na ye we ya na yakone akwa abazo
you see ade ehunu say come no say ye hwe the way I saw kor
okay
because when you odi on say odi na odi ni dia fam
you know em say kana
second round nyina be
oba be negotiate for player
yeah nyambo league first match second round same album ti be hwe interest is very important. Dr. Randy Abi akasa
yeah
first of all enim gwase manu because one or your has supporter mapa not only that or a former management member of Accra Folk. And this club, only him say, if there's a club, I might want to over the years, minimum Juma, Accra Folk. Yes. Pa Papa. House of Folk got flow t-shirts. Royal House Chapel. 2004. Alaji Zobekai. Omo elected and storm me to the board. Yes. So time no. Very me bomb to just and so almost say Samamba Congress no be there. And the next time I go come once because I'm this club a clubber more respected top people to run a management for them.
I was over to us. We up over so many commodity na top 6. Kofi Agbesima, yeah, captain of the Mabichem United. On an encore.
Masa, let us say.
I'm not doing you patron also.
Patron, you patron film ni ending komo. Shami a debi anime kasakama. You patron film ni ending komo. And then me also a video bi ama GFA for ne say who promote league ne na wa.
I just say.
Kofi me also a video bi ama GFA. Ah now bobo bi say why you ready for season no.
Yeah.
And then now can come in here.
Let me say hello, lovers of Ghana football. My name is Kofi Agbesima, captain of the team United. The time is here and we are ready to hunt.
Kofi, now more about top 6 here. I say maybe I'm not doing no. Semi-final no more near doing no. I hope boy mo de ko shemu won cry no. Obeka say no and the mo do baby am do ya na.
Hello, minti won kan you.
Kofi mi bisa say ahoboa na mo ko boa mo ho won cry no. Eno na top 6 na mo bo na di mo do baby am do na na.
Yeah. Ahoboa na ye boy ho won cry no. And I might do semi-final. And I may do more tonight.
But Kofi, Obeka said there na asesa Obechem United team nim say August no cranio, but there na asesa am still mobile ball on no.
Yeah, like me kind of say, okay, Vivian say okay, boys now keka ne no omoja show mutrim say ni August no krabe no omoso pese omo ye bibi sama na bro so ni ntino ama we are very serious so training grounds especially as strikers lead the attacker.
Kofi, new players about team num oh yes senior player outside a captain players no maba for no say na hu omo uji dis afi on beboa.
Oh yeah afi on beboa aka na ba ku mienu nse bia ye coaches no be policy om na answer na statistics no na me adoma 2 weeks time we are be ku ya man.
Kofi Emra top 6 ni me say mo do semi final uji dis am betimi age.
Oh na me adoma e betimi age.
Bechemfo ni nyina tie match be na wabo top 6 ni ma ye den pa.
I can't say the boy before and son I do semi-final against Kayala. And a very tough game.
Kofi ene ka se ye Ghana League na Asia. Obeka say Bechem United are ready so mbebo.
Yeah, ready. Ready say bebo. Ready say bebo. Ni aye last season the team no. Ye be yam na bro. So you say ye be second and first.
Kofi say Bechem United no ebeto ho no at the Kessie pair PM ni say omo J FA Cup no. Last year we drew final went to me anye. Season aye remu also person di second na trophy ankasa no o person o gye de hen.
Yeah, trophy ankasa no minya FA Cup na ebeji into league ni kwa nya ebeji either first or second.
And then na team na be si so. Bechemfo any Bechem United Hunters obi etio aseme na be catch on e dey atwa to.
Yeah, some of my supporters now, it's a be on my team. I say, I'm supporting the team United. I'm young Cranshaw this season. The year, I'm opening here a bro last season. The Anderson. So I'm a fan pabo entirely.
International Kofi Agbesima. Me da sepa.
Hello.
Diana me di Kofi Agbesima besi.
Hello.
And you better be sure pass it. How about so?
Randy Abe or Kasai, Maka Oye Obia has ne Junso, ne BBI has a book. Oye Juma as a communicating director for the club, a consulting for Hazelfolk. The reason why they are say Hazelfolk a club be a Ghana, Oka administrators, top class administrators are, I mean they are second to none over the years. Minka enedia e wo fem poto no nye na meka. Enu nti na wo hu ne we see. Over the years as a folk, look, it's not for nothing. Your boy Ashford Tete Okudia, na be bia edin. They've never been an administrator of football club. Or you astute and brilliant to say Ashford over 2 decades. Me eda Togbe ni Ashford nya problem. And I make us say Togbe is in trouble. Because you can't ultimate and can say an institutional memory of over 2 decades. And I also will respect ni influence of Ghana football. Ashford obi eni obefa phone na friend na ni oponya. Who dey say? Say Ashford and call FA get be wo super che. Cause time I asked for the club administration no na ora get to no so.
Oh, okay.
Or somewhere new nyamo yes because adwuma wa ya che na adwuma so ho tie fair. And I'm paying for no respect in the power. And so Sir Randy can't say me these things will occur because who is Hasbro CEO? Hasbro do not have a management. How can a club that has any CEO, any management? And why when I take a decision? So I'm take a decision, I'm when it comes to football. And some of these things, the significant, the corporate damage and the image reputation. Our club nakasa hu fin. Any competition also hu fin. This is all be so around the abe mo when nim dia no e raise answer. And I will not blame him, but the door will be at the doorstep of Togbe. Or no, they tell me who becomes CEO of the club. How can a big club like Accra Simba Oba CEO? Big club like Accra now we need Champions League, that we need Confederation Cup. Onye club kitwa. Na Oba Sebi agro. Zia has a team now as in Kolan Kolebi or mobile feature ball. In terms of administration. The same thing happened here. The Gaman Jacob.
Yeah.
Munim when you start preseason. Unless they are telling me say, omu yankobi omu da sorry and na say be omu sum daebia na afi the program is omu yebo my dream.
Yeah.
You knew mo preseason program schedule. He wrote to you for weeks. If Emrebeba Christ or some wadrian, unim so players are pro. Sunday near Adena say Barcelona. Sa Friday, can you imagine? Now, Ubebo competition, Gaka, Achurama. Munyang, you had meetings. Although they attending meetings, no be. So, who are rep also? You knew. Unimu program, unimu challenges. Why did you accept to be part of the program? Oh, your players are proud. No problem. As I go share, say, Obo preseason program, they share that Emwa, withdraw.
Yeah.
And that is what a responsible club should do. On train ama, I feel okay. I say yeah for so be sekobo and timidin collabable. It doesn't show a club that is serious. A club say be near be active footballers. And but this is the level the current board chair I reduce has of management to. This is a club omo ba FA. Not team no air bar obe Johnny. So Harris are called at the Nima see you. You are going to run away. Alaji has. Na and there's Thompson. Sana Agbesi or no afina or dear the Ashford Crafers. Kai maybe a Palmer so the has vocal call status. Or Johnny. Be fast. That is hassle for you. Charles Taylor, Charles Alote. Ahead of House of Okotoko game. Yeah, look at incident. No.
Meka incident.
A Horn will say yes, document House of Oak and Ashford expecting documentation. And so that's House of Oak. And is and none has the who more power. And every yeah, then boy a competition like this. It's so disgusting, it's so disgraceful, it's shameful.
Too much is
for the reputation of this club.
And almost share one. Too much is 7 goals.
But good team, no feel good team, any mercy. Because unnamed sebi about football, man. They don't even administratively, they don't know what to do. And so this is the way Togbe want to do. And your player talk keke. My top player, no. This serious administration. And now take decision. Club no the image, the reputation. Because what cause them in Kolako, but a good club no who fin. And to my dream, se can't me Toby Biao. A bonne new yamo is a canto. To bo was canons will be no.
No cry.
But in Yamo, I talk we. No talk with the refi that a management led by Harry Zako, who was a member of the board, chaired by Commodore Mensah, and not a member. Is that the way they were running the club? Who has a management at that time? You run away. Omu pion is a man, ye omu nimdinzu. And it's not like that. It's not the same. And Nimguasia Kessie. Nen to Gaka. Gaka anti assess any massison. Sir, Obebo competitioner. Sebi Omuntran Saint June Amose Eneno Niema Sisenti Yekono top 6. So from day one, the clubs are aware before they complete the season. Normally they come with pre-season program. Sebi. Nkola onse nkola ye nkola nti o ma dwen so nti or another da medi pancake 2 seconds medi KFC 3 seconds medi maybe a brownie we nkola sa no within 2 minutes obet me sana obedi nemesis ba mo ye mpanyifo amonim di amodi ball no echiache marani gaka ya sa kwaba. Have a program. The welfare body, you go for meetings. Na mun fen to monim clubs ya ma na uga kari omudia. Na mun jin to mu se sia no nsese abenti ye kono top 6. And tomu ya away from day one. Club bia enim. And tomu di beka omushisha before the league even commences. Anabi a league no club by end of first round ma shia na mun me ko ma jatum so. Season ebe wi a ye be top 6. Reasonably na obiawo. Enti on bebe we season in coach no crack and tanker report no e da prison be chance or the be ka ho say esan say ye wo gaka tournament nti prison no be chance emrewi. Secondly, Sebiu ubo sakura competition en there e difficult because Sebi players no the club is going to pay for the players campaign omudi dem bibia e dey prize money be na also e dey nti na so risky the player. Yeah, can say nanya me pengu na has of folk na beche man chance or na media ma player be prices here na say club no spending 50,000 say fly no car here. Who is going to bear the cost?
Omo car.
Na say fa so be na wo so.
Oh nyam me nyam fa so bia.
In fa so be na what the tournament so Sakura sika bi enim kapre nim. And so God campaign for so tia say Sebi. Clubs no they are already running at a huge loss. Now inside the way ebe wesen omo financially constrained situation dada. It's something that is unthinkable and unacceptable. Yeah, can has an imguasiano, Gaka su go monimase. Because baby you can't run such a competition on the basis of because a welfare body nti. Sabi yambo Gaka top is na clubs omunye prison. Clubs na top 6 no I don't know the prison no omada.
Omo ye prison.
Ada Gaka the top 6 no eno kwa na ya the Bible League. Omo can top omo prison. And so I said be attract clubs to cry some excited to play in the tournament because bibi sronku e wo ho. Ade omo boy I share TV do so. Aizen Kolebi o mako Cape Kose Musa Kantata. Nothing. There's nothing unique about it. Tournament nankasa enya attractive. Apart from fortunate television coverage from Max, that's it. Nothing. Fans zero because publicity I want she and koso. And once I got trying so yeah press conference I go back, but come on, what do you take fans for? Oh yeah, an event like this, it should be like a festival. Fans no much fan away mu air day. Why stadium ni?
Order how be a crown konko.
Wait, how? And it's supposed to be a serious competition. So me a manager of a CEO of a company. Now me pay football bias was away. The last I'll not even consider it.
Now, but was that we no maybe I'm more ye we no now can committee no more technique now more no ya more. What tournament say a ball so that we more.
Yeah, my ball. First lady, yeah, my ball. My ball crowd numbers also. There be Sebi wisdom. It goes to where it's needed. Simple. So I'm feel no more nimbibia, so they don't need it. Omo nimbibia, they don't need our expertise or advice. Say obi unfair me. Obi unfair Larry.
So nipa
that's Emma, yeah.
Now
because a lot of Ejuma went into it. Me say, first lady, you know, a lot of work. According to a lot of work goes into these things. They think something are more problem. Almost sorry, no. Ejuma Ekomu, if I tell you the number of even MPP youth organizers we have to meet, because at that time, Ghana Marbon and Yendu Pepeswa as you understand me. So you have to look at how do I get people interest groups by number a mo bobo I won't cry Greater Accra region. We have to mobilize them, transport you MPP youth. Yes, because I'm firstly number. Yeah. The strategy and the plan. Your friend is saying, Ayalolo, we had a plan, an arrangement of Ayalolo, where to bus student. Yeah, it's 2007. I get Romo under 21 go Canada. No,
yeah.
That is what they did. I'm university students, second side high school student, and I'm doing the stadium. Because I am my ball. Nipa natural need interest, but you need to fill the place because of Mamino Obano. Sika bebre komu Ayalolo almost half. The sika bebre komu strategy. More organizers in Accra, you have to give them something. And so, and I will cry a mema we mema ball. Na sebi you, ehun hiya kra se chinchina bonum cry. Time Alaji Raji eye Gaka Chef. And I told you this before. Yeah, Gaka top 8. Top 6 finish. Yeah, top 8. The reason why I chose this in one of the reasons attendance.
Oh, okay.
Good. But now, because you Adriana Stars and you Brekum Chelsea. Oh. You call Sunyani. Sunyani, me spending 3 weeks at Sunyani. Oh, the entire Bronx region. From Techiman, Zantano Shalom.
Agro. That was the first time I meet you.
Agro, okay, right. Now, we need Kofi Poku Esporto.
Yeah.
Good. You can be baby to promote the match and create awareness. And I will involve the captains and the CEOs of the club, any supporters, leaders of the respective clubs. Adrian Nani Chelsea, no, or Coronation Park.
Yeah.
Oh, bye.
Mamba.
One mount is a park near Mabrusu. Good. That Dana Liverpool, Man United able. But a Charles said, Brown for no per ball, and then they like the local rivalry. Attendance per average of every game was excellent. And sometimes, and yet they be a chinchinia, and I bought one crying. No. If you are fortunate to have, I'm going to say, it would have made sense to make sure that you move the tournament there.
Mati, Aboso.
Now, I come.
Reverend, you know, Kakra
Reverend can say, Kata, when you first of all, me name how the kind of revelation. But sometimes interpretation of what God tells you is different from what Nyawati and Nyawo can. They are two different things. Nyamia catch rate me final cancer from Nyamia catch. Kata, there's no way they can win the World Cup. So the issue about bringing Kata on this also, and the Kata never winning Ghana. Kata and Timmy win the World Cup. Near South Korea, FIFA, yeah, referees no. Okay, near a friend is a Vera Kaya about the 2002 World Cup, no? When Italy was booted out. But the point is that, Sebi, some of these things we have to be serious. Spirituality is not enough when it comes to football. Only quality players. Only preparation forget about spirituality. The year 2000 has used grass cutter spirit. But they had quality players. In Samir was the best goalkeeper we had in the country. In Amakam Reku, in Jacob Nete, in Dankwe, excellent. in Ajimandria, top class, experience at that level, guiding a young, superb centre back in Stephen Tete. Unfortunately, coach, the late Herbert Ado, and I always say this, was the reason why Stephen Tete and Timmy rising to the top. But I know you had a different discussion on a different day.
Oh, okay.
Aja Tete, excellent. Joanson, Edmond Cobson from the bench, Charles Taylor, Charles Alote, the general, and assassin, Ishmael. So Ajogumu free, but they had quality in all aspects. Plus the grass cutter spirit. Into almost nine baby, that's almost 9 doors with you. And no, yeah, this is not the best of team we have. What do I say? Yeah, well, a lot of average players. We don't have an exceptional player in the team. Now say Nyamia can say, please, God does not do things that way. Share World Cup history. How many surprises have we had in terms of countries or more winner they don't deserve to win it? When you AFCON, this is a World Cup. One year proper preparation, we need top class players. I forget it. One year group stage, we might not even get out of one year. We might not even get out of the group stage. Let's be real, please. I don't think, sir, or maybe you interpret me. I can't speak to the facts. Saying Yamini and Kasamini ho. Yamini atabuka on them. How can I say said we? Nemo say Yamini waka. Now Chechemundi the in Chechemundi mostly won't be right. So in Chechemun I'm visa 1 year. Yamin Timmy Catherine said Ghana be win the World Cup. I don't think that came from God.
Oh.
No, please. Please, you don't mock God. God is a serious God.
About you?
Please, God is a serious God. Me say, the interpretation no, and enkoye. But for you to say that Qatar will not win the World Cup, who said Qatar can win the World Cup? No, me ba. Who see?
Obi krali yakopole ni o.
Tie me, adesema me kan wan tie say. Me doubt is say nyame na nkasa o. Me say interpretation of nyotie ye no. Nema mienu na me kan o. Man ka say nyame ni na nkasa na me ni ho. Nemo say nyame a me nim no say nyame e ka nokre. Nyame nya mistake da. Be ka say Qatar we need World Cup say be wine in his right senses. Which bishop? Please, which archbishop? Bekase or Pope that Qatar win the World Cup. What it means is that Qatar ni Ghana be kofana, but Qatar win Ghana be win. That's what he's telling you. How can Qatar win the World Cup? Yeah, jokes, no. And anytime I call tournament, no. Who said they will have some of these comedian statements. Every Crawford and away. Please, let's be serious. This is a top former footballer. Top, we above AFCON 1968. Top footballer. Bokotoko, top footballer. Boazabok, top footballer.
Sompa
So please, on camp football, we expect, sir, or by analyzing the game with his experience and expertise. On just spirituality, please. We know him for football, not spiritual matters.
Reverend, there's a yeah. I'm never know what we know.
I'm granting me cancer.
Alai,
Papa.
Alai na bibia ko kama de.
Oh, nyame adume.
Alai na bombe phobia nko kakre.
Phobia nko mo woni say. De wotie mi ye. Penifo so chere dampo mu a, ufa mu fufu atre. Ye di tumi na chiache. One. Pre-season on. Ye
so who say house of folk to me sereno one mutim ne mu nyam ho ban no no amuso mu ne din ho ban my message ano no na de wo tie mi so tie mi ye mo mama no abira on for me na tiri patentin ko na say me suro de make so I'm saying this without fear of favor na momo ne kasa say baba sha se ya nchiama no de maka no kasa kire no mawie
ala yanko newspapers in the headlines na ba no
people no de edika ba ne fe ne we was litigation de club de Tachman moi la paix au filaté pour la litigation employé Tachman la wonders on sait on ko twen manson bi so on prend ma doit se ne ho nomba na people busan se sa manson ni ti ko si de Ankosiaga
no de ba wi asa na e ka Ankosiaga watch manso na gu
watch manso na gu sana people no ka mami ko go Chrome Chronicle was club du Ghana attention club du Accra attention le quet tutulé moi en paix konkonai mutue la ko busaswa ujirikaswa penti la ko was house of fukiyete tabete no na ne chemu ano no ye chicha beche no na ne chemu ano no na man fa ayi senior players amon no da bira chicha beche ne chemu ano no we se su ye pipa ye frɛ no Botuko Express
ala na gono Chrome Chronicle amfa e man we na mo koka gono Chrome no
da bi ani de wan fa ma ne de ba mu asam na make
mato de enko
was la bis la base ça la travailler le mois tutuma et le tout le monde froka là-bas du club du Ghana la Wonders de l'attachement élimination pipa ici Botuko Express was a premier division team sino base no de fait pas no bako c'est 18 teams was de fait pas et asante kotoko
base
no they were poto 11 Wonders sana pipa ni dia ba sala jila ma asamanfu we abriye mamini kan ko la proca was a club du Accra la pression de la moi 50 soir fédération de Mamé beaucoup là was intihase to so miensa ana se wawe
ala ya no de hin no bisa
ayi gaka top 6 no
okay
anu bisa se nti haso fuk to so miensa ana se baka sa awe o ka ko se wasa yawe mo fa ho sana pipa na o ka
na pipa ni gitu za asa na awe
o da bi se wo si twira
ala na wo za asa na awe
na media to so miensa media to so
ala she bu bebrebe
na de kura mire bi a wura be dman sa de kotokoko South Africa ko jigu ye no ba man ka so ma to so fof
ala you de mari
salajila ma asamanfu dem ni twato ye abriye was a club du Ghana ça la travailler de la Soudan la métier de la Soudan la ma Otumwa Pompidou Krokwa qu'est-ce qu'il y a là Mouvier la part people no busa se nti uko Sudan a chana match ngo fomu de be ho biom ana
no de ade ko fo bi di bia o biom Sudan
se on sa sante kotoko ko bi Ghana o ko Sudan for teams tournament meboa o first match ni e show mu 2-0
okay
na abriye busa se ti china so mo ni san ko fo na mo san dia wo fo mana
ala you china ro mo san dia wo
na people dey bo sister enye yo mo de bo ho papa ma menchia menko ai trade junction oko kan chire kwa no so no me ofasi bu ho efe no otonu efe no kwabena lawson mi chia no pa manuasi
ala na tire kan se ne wapo modern headlines na etimi aba ti ma me kona me fa afrefo ne kakra na ye hwe na afi ye mpage mu na de akebia no entimi anto asoma 0551 931 0551 931 0548 931 me fa obi ewa no me pa cho odi ani bebi a wo kasafi Yes, sir. Me what day na me patch also.
Me what day ba. Whatever we are Robert. Me ka se put to go to try put that to when it is with me. And matter pass na is about assembly na pay for the now say. It's also has in poker. You about 2 matches. How you 7 goals. What I say. I don't pay say to Omunya no. Omunya go dem. Ni ba dey bia ko go dey no moye. And you say coach na da roma. And say do an ko mba. O ko to say ball no mbo. Because o ma share ni dey. We dey kura aso go kura ma say. And to do time and pay for no. O mo just no kaka. O mo ka mo ya ni sa ya. Aya na mboa. Me da so to ha.
Antime so me da so no di are ba Babi Ramu e wo hanom to so betimi adwene 054 8931931 0548931 me na me fa obi e wo hanom me pa cho diani baby akasafi. Hello.
Daddy.
Yes sir.
Yo taramo wa ni bokum.
Chama mi too.
Dey me nya kwanya ba ne me ka se kotopaki ta afu nyina ne se.
Sompa Sports.
Ena ehye bota etim yachi. She Africa na esi eni so aye koi. Ye mpese kwa kuku ye nmu ase kwa kempeni first and in glass and kanyida obi ma ko di shoti ta mo asana na ase wa be ke for no o mo no kola no pro han se for ne tere na mo ke no ye mpese be gu ye ho ani ma sta iko to ka chita ni bia aye e tin na etan bia no e ko to je ma ye mbo e pasha ye spend e coach any players na so many lack Debbie, Africa, I couldn't get to attend my Karama one crowd.
Martin Medan, se pacho diani baby akasafi.
Me pacho, Ibona Sileni. Me do ado in for Papa PSC. Now, Mammy Chami boss IGP or Jiname Nimona me ye corner or Wadatu. Now, Abodiadi, yes, sir, has it penny for. Tournament in one second, or we and Musi or Mupi season, or match your movement through. Your players do a what? Last year, Daniel called the money players be more mapla. Season no man to me a mobi. Eti ball we kula, I'm bet me a more chance. New players na e to no. Na mudio e bi ma ka ho na ya hye. Na wan. Na tournament ba sa ha to foki e bobo e na 4. You yet TV kwa na me yura ho. E ras na ya hye yo. Enye ya youth team na ya hye. Ti panifo no munyam ho ma ti ye next part. Mami say si.
Ate meda se pa me bacho odiani baby akasafi.
Yeah, your friend Nana Asante, Nikasafi, Achuma Aguma, I saw down pe
Nana go.
Your best testament has a Kuma super defense. Basically, much more area to players. You cry young players in more. It's your patch this season or more match. It is a crowd the boss have commercial one. Who don't mistake. They say one mobile, yeah, we now have both second division in first division. That's a special league last year. We can see Yaman Koya and other professional Koye. It's your best friend who said, you are now with me. I'm on the phone out. That's on my board. We have to watch them that. But the phone cards almost found your player. It's your best friend, so on him for the phone out. That you want to with me on control.
Martin Menso Medan, se pacho diani baby akasafi.
Champion Abu Dhabi.
Yes sir.
Champion Abu Dhabi.
Yes sir, me ton ka mit you.
Apa inga si abe pacho bi abo ko die.
Me wa den na zo e.
And every so the bomb baso mu duma dia moki e o patele na patem. O bata fuka se send the animal. Tinya ma da tusu kumpiri mandala. Ane family ni mu nyina bi mu a mu chase passport. Ade ge ni abla ti pacho bi ani e bi ko chase. You don't know if you are not to pee, but that's a bit of this. Mafia, okay, just here. I just say some more good guy here. I will look at them hard. He was with me and for all that in moment for ball and see hard their name. One or more born for hours and another born for us too. I asked him the boy, as the question I die and then pay for no million kind of switching down. A move from my because I'm going to about the house of two, about the house of my house of two. The best lesson people who keep about because it's why I have found it. But that's been here.
Matebe so beda se no dia de Babi Ram 0548931931. Me pacho odiani baby akasafi. Yes sir. Yes sir, me too.
You that's what can boy am your first. But you say house of problem that GFP. Extra that can talk, they can talk for
Then I talk for news. Then I talk for the say. And then get it about it about some for the Lanka. It is a channel. I don't know how to go to me.
Mate, medase pa me pacho diari baby akasafi.
Hello?
Yes sir.
But I'm Kasafi to the film commission.
Tio kumse.
But you're but I'm a coach. I'm not in the insurance player, no boy. And I say I share 7 hours, the extra players in the very team. In the country supporters of the young about here, it's still very serious. No, the other is in the common one, because I was on what you. Yeah, as a far, say players, the previous match is never. We are with my Pijabu. Bye bye.
Mate, medasi kumsin 0548931931 0551931931 no so no obetimi afrena wa bomodena adwechero etimi aba dwumadi no so na monyambo ochna fida yebesa trase the crossfire debate no ebeba debate bi a ochna na no edempa na chna no yewo ma ode ma mefa wimra na yenko mabato dia ne bebi akasafi office tino ya hwena ya ti de make no the crossfire debate na ohwe sere ne ma esi e call ne sere city amefo bu abepa to dia ne bebi akasafi.
Hello.
Yes madam.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Baba cho dabi.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Me pacho Sompa ni. Why? Hello. Dabi. 0548931931 0551931931 no so wait me a join no up modern na wait me about pacho odi any baby akasafi.
But I'm just a few of us.
What do me too?
I come to say a couple of coin. And there's also a born watching far, say half in a boy. And this is years and almost say a monadia, or almost say a mission, yet then the cockroach at the other. And then the man who can't say, I call you to watch the fire and pull out.
Ate, Mensomeda, me pacho diani baby au kasafi.
Good afternoon, Abu Dhabi.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Abu Dhabi.
Yes, sir.
Over there.
Me bacho mo wedding now so.
Abu Dhabi, the South African African.
Me too.
Jump on the board, also, here over your photo, any papa, and I Baba, and Jan or by Media, Muhammad, and Media. Abu, yeah, how? Yeah, some work on here and my yard, and you don't say, if it has to go to Kobo, and I'm on the Arabs of Kobo, not just a much of it. I say, a better team, next or 1 year. One of the yesterday, I asked you ever contact the boss.
Ate Mensomeda, me pacho diani baby au kasafi.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Pacho, Abu Dhabi.
Yes, sir.
I am the Gaka for I ever started tournament, the regulations with them, the 18 junior side, a house with music. Gaka for next time, or Gravia, that's bad, and come on.
Mate Mensomeda se no dia de ba ababe rua me pacho diani baby akasafi.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, me talk ka kasa me too. Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good evening, I want to say.
Me wedding now so.
I go pardon boko. The more crack and a cotocon and person can form. But can I for so now cotocobano? I want to make my first friends. I want to keep him no. They don't get training. You see a training. Because I'm planning for when you're my boy. We a drop to Bobo, no pan and Bobo, Timo. And the so when you're booking us a course. We said your thing until also say. Also by the which we are. Africa there. If you have a borrow, a book, and yet, born a boy and also a block for bones, because of one and I do some sort of US, I'm back again with a head and bacana. It's another phone.
Martin Medasi Pa Prince. Me pato di ani baby akasafi.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Hello.
Yeah, yes sir, me tonka.
Hello.
Me tonka pa me pato.
Eso me ba for je ni ka se ya Santiago. Me pato tournament no but before my guys o ma mo guys ni because some dia has the first 9 dia ma ka se be boss top 9. Some have the top 8 dia ma ka se be boss top 8. I don't think I do that for no top 6.
Ate medase pa me bacho ona twato di ani bibia o kasafi.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Good afternoon, boss.
Good afternoon, sir.
We ajon o kasem. Fantastic unia. The message make anya ne say House of Folk supporters ami tu omo fo no mo fa sa futuro ya ebe boa wo mo. Se wo bia ye preseason ya aya na nko percent onya competitive ayibi bo nenka ebo de hye ne team no hu se ne team no ekoyi ana enkoyi we de ye de bia beto na so ye de bia beto na so a wo se onya ready se obebo we ayese senka omo pam coach na nimu ye so tiase because who started preseason ja wo bia wo krom ha na se de sa ya beto na so na so went me ambode ya na se when you ready so obekọ Africa na so obebo league no etimi de mitu omofo se wo mu coach no se wo mu ampam no mo man starting league no ene sa Africa no dia ene 10 goals no mo koje na Africa no ene we de be 15 o etimi adwo mo mitu omofo so mo amfa ene o mu jejireje adwo akra o
Mate medase ajongo yaro sinyambo chebe bana ya babetara mo cha the crossfire debate na MZ Sofia beye de na Jose Mourinho and Pep Guardiola and an ye bana ye de before that to send ye so near we o assess your mom juma ma born said near man see kwa sisia hwan pa and abeka say ne modern monu jawom pa eso ani e di o team no Pep Guardiola de obe jamu aka sere amane ye Michael Akomia na just no jama bomo dia kasere amano na timbi no yo Jose Mourinho erozo pepo jama kasa dia amano no Michael Asaribuadu eti ochina say the crossfire debate no ano be di mu be hye no ebe hu pa di ochina e wo so kan ho ano pa ne beba 7 to 7:30 yere tip off ne beba after no na ne ma didama ya trans 9:30 to 12 na full time na referee to force ya shootout ne beba yako na minim DJ Tofia kwa manager baba transfer afi program no ato aso kama pa timi de ama
nanka obinim se baabi a wokọ abrabo a wobo ene susu dia osusu ye no be